Uzbekistan is in the top list with the worst air in the world. We're burning everything and not caring about the smog.
Chunki kelajak avlod yoshlarniki, kelajakdagi tabiatdan biz nafas olamiz. Ecoschools O'zbekistonga 2021-yilda maktabimiz a'zo bo'lgan. Kelajakda o'zimiz uchun barqaror muhit yaratish bizning katta maqsadimiz.
O'ylashimcha, bu juda ham o'z vaqtida qilingan va amalga oshirilayotgan bolalar o'rtasida bolalarni tabiatga asrashga, toza havoni sevishga yoki toza havoni saqlab qolishga qilinayotgan eng yaxshi yo'llardan biri deb o'ylayman.
I applied to this UNICEF program in 2021. Initially, I was not aware of anything that's happening 100 meters from the earth. This project, it increased the awareness of the condition of the air, but also the gases, the pressure, the things people are not thinking about.
Biz foydalanamiz, o'zimiz uni yaratishimiz ham mumkin, barpo qilishimiz ham mumkin.